What's up guys, back with another video. So today I'm going to be installing this duck wing or duck lip, whatever you call it, on the back of the trunk on my FRS. As you can see, I already got it taped kind of roughly where I want it. Because of the fitment along the trunk line, I'm going to just do the middle one first and then probably work my way out, or I might even do the middle one and then the outsides and then do the ones in the middle after. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna try and get this centered as possible, that way it looks as good as possible. I did notice once this gets pushed down that it does come really close to my tail light, but it's supposed to cover the trunk. It's supposed to, you know, it's supposed to be like a 1-inch extension off the trunk anyway, so we'll see how it looks after we get done. Alright guys, so I got it on there. I got a few edges I got to clip off. I just riveted it on there for now. For the meantime, it ain't moving. It's on there. I'm actually taping all this off to get that big boy on. Hopefully I can get that on today too, but the fitment is actually not that bad. So I got the same amount of gap pretty much the whole way. But yeah, the fitment's pretty nice though. I'm not gonna lie, I like it. At first I test fitted, I didn't really know if I was gonna like it or not. I think with that though, corresponds, makes it look a lot better. But I'm gonna try and get that on hopefully today. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I'll let you know if I can get that on. Alright, catch you guys in a second. Alright guys, so the big wing is on. Now I do have this port bars that go on here and over here, but they sent me on the like L brackets or whatever you want to call these. They sent me 2 for the right side. Usually you got 1 for the right side, 1 for the left side. They sent me 2 right sides. So this is what it looks like for now. I'm just gonna tighten this down, see if it holds better. But I will put those supports in eventually. But it's not looking too bad. I like the height of it. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it down, but that's what it looks like. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. There'll be a lot more coming for this car. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.